Buongiorno, my friends. It's time for We Funk Radio. It's the 5th of November, and it's for fireworks! So we're going to have our own little fireworks tonight, in a way of funk. This is Rockin' Robbins. I've got your number. Rockin' Robbins, and I've got your number. Got some good tunes for you tonight. I'm just trying to sort out my other monitor that's playing up again. Looks like I'll have to defrag my computer. This one's The Limit, and it's called Miracles. Right, and who's got the fireworks and the jack of potatoes tonight? I had lasagna. Don't do fireworks. Well, I do, but when I'm making love. Right, boys and girls, got a little bit of Womack and Womack for you.
Stay away if you got games and tricks for me. I want a man that means everything he say, and not a boy full of faith, pulling rabbits out of his hat every day. Ooh, baby, I'm scared of you. I don't believe in magic. I believe in love everlasting. I can't understand that. Houdini was a great magician. He could crack the lock. Oh, yes, he could. From any position. But my heart is nothing like those locks. And your formula's not my brand of stock. Like Little Red Riding Hood, you're the fox. Oh, and baby, I'm scared of you. I don't believe in magic. I believe in love everlasting. I don't believe in magic. I believe in love everlasting. Don't go pulling no rabbits out your hat. It'll be all out for combat. Baby, now I can't go for that. I can't understand that, baby. No, I can't understand that. You ain't no Houdini.
Oh, I know I ain't.
I can't understand that, baby.
Oh, like Rudolph Valentino, I can fall down on my knees, pull flowers out my sleeve. Girl, I know you will be pleased. I
I
wonder.
can't understand that, baby. I can't understand that.
Look, I can pull flowers out my hat, do a disappearing act. Come back on you so strong. Girl, I really turn your loving on. I
I
wonder.
can't understand that, baby. I can't understand that.
Well, I've got a couple of announcements.
I'm available.
Firstly, I want to welcome Simon Levy-Lewis to the group. Are you alright, mate?
Don't need a boy.
And also a birthday girl.
Tricks every day.
It's Linda Felton Crew's birthday today. Happy birthday, Linda.
No, I can't understand that.
29 years old.
Baby, let me groove ya.
God, she ain't half fit though, I tell you.
Baby, let me soothe ya.
Oh, baby, I need a little more.
Baby, let me hold ya.
Oh, no, baby.
Not as fit as me though.
Squeeze ya.
Oh, child, I need a little more.
Baby, what you want?
That was baby, I'm scared of you, Womack and Womack.
Oh, baby, I need a little more.
Baby, let me hold ya.
Baby, I need a little more.
Gonna wanna
Right, quick name call. We got Linda Felton Carew here today, Michelle Cooper Patson, and Eden. Is Eden here, Michelle? Simon Levy Lewis, Jackie Simpson, Richard Blaby, Andy Line, Jackie Shackleton. Hello, Jackie. Where's my chili? Sue Valentine, and I got a song for Kim Sherlock a little bit later on. If there's any more names pop up, I'll call them out, right?
I'm going on by my way. I can't do nothing for you no more.
Right, this is the barge, and you wear it well. Oh, message off Michelle, telling me whether Eden's listening. Yeah, she's here. Hello, Eden.